The Ender 3 S1 Pro printer boasts an impressive printing speed of 200 millimeters per second, which is 4 times faster than conventional 3D printers, ensuring quick and efficient model creation. Equipped with the new Sprite all-metal direct drive extruder, this printer provides a strong pushing force of up to 80 newtons, enabling smooth and precise filament feeding, especially with flexible materials like TPU. The CR Touch Auto Level Sensor enhances printing accuracy by quickly adjusting the nozzle height on the hotbed and utilizing a 16-point auto leveling program for more precise bed leveling. With an upgraded brass nozzle capable of withstanding temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, the Ender 3 S1 Pro allows for a wider variety of filament options, including ABS, PETG, PA, PLA, TPU, and wood, resulting in smoother prints. This model features dual Z-axis screws and motors, which work synchronously to minimize the appearance of lines and ridges on prints, significantly improving overall print quality. Additional upgrades include a user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen, LED lights for printing in dark environments, a steel spring PEI sheet bed for better adhesion, filament detection, and power loss recovery functionality.